This is a follow-up from a couple weeks ago. Just a few weeks ago, after the Fifth Circuit Court in Texas said they could begin imposing the restriction on abortion clinics throughout the state, forcing many of them to close. Only 8 remained open after that. The Supreme Court ruled just a couple of days ago that they can stay open, or at least for right now. The ruling essentially states that the clinic can remain operational while the courts continue to decide if the law is constitutional in the first place. And here is what, this is via Think Progress. That's what they say. Earlier this month, the U.S. Court of Appeals, they basically allowed the law to take immediate effect. The Supreme Court injunction overrules the decision, finding that the state may not now enforce a requirement that all clinics in the state upgrade their facilities to be hospital-like surgical centers, even when performing abortions only through the use of drugs and not surgery. Now, we'll see what has to happen, but for right now, these abortion clinics will remain open. And now this is how it all ties in, because elections have consequences, elections matter. The Texas Democratic gubernatorial candidate, Wendy Davis, who filibustered the 2013 abortion laws, applauded the decision, said the court recognized that these deeply personal decisions should be made by a woman with the guidance of her family and her doctor, not by people, not by snooty glasses wearing Rick Perry, or some old guy on the court that doesn't know what, he probably hasn't seen a vagina in years. Let's be real. America. These are people that should be making the decisions, right? Not, these crazy Republicans. I just my belief on this type of stuff, guys. Like, I just really feel, guys and ladies and gentlemen, right? I really feel as though that a woman's uterus is just that, a woman's uterus. And she could do whatever the hell she wants to do, and then it's none of my business. Not at all. I could give a 2 craps. But what you do with your uterus? It's none of my business. And I don't understand why these crazy conservatives think that they need to control what it is a woman does with her uterus. It blows my mind that they even, I don't even understand why they care. Why do you care so much? I'm perplexed, especially when they make arguments like they don't want government to be involved in people's lives, but they want a government to be up your uterus and up almost touching your vagina and up your uterus. That's what they want, and we need to put a stop to that right here and now, America. Right here, absolutely, positively, right now. Let's be real.